Now the Sony WH-1000XM3 was a really good headphones, but Sony has decided to change from this to this. So let's check it out. Hey, what's up guys, Adam Lobo here and you're watching Adam Lobo TV. If you guys are new, hello and welcome. Do consider subscribing to my channel as I release videos at least twice a week, sometimes even 3 times a week. And if you're returning as a subscriber, welcome back my friends. Now let's unbox the earbuds. So the box comes in white with the visuals of the color of your choice that you choose in front and some of the features over there. Then at the back, you'll find some other additional information and all the features like NFC and the audio codecs as well. Then on top of the box, you'll find that it is compatible with iPhone, iPod and Android devices as well. So yes, you can finally get rid of your AirPods. Next, you'll need to open the box from the side, which reveals the flap towards the left, which shows you how the earbuds are paired for the first time. Underneath, you'll immediately see the earbuds on top and the charging case below. Then at the back, you'll see all the extra ear tips. Now I have to mention that I love the little touch that Sony made on color coding each ear tips, so you know exactly which is which size, so great job Sony. Next, you'll find a USB-A to USB-C cable. Nice. And there's the instructions guide and the user manual. Now the earbuds comes in 2 colors for you guys to choose from. The one which I have right here is silver, and I also have the black variant where both had a nice copper trim on top with the Sony logo over there. Now I gotta say that some images that I saw online gave me the impressions that this was more whitish kind of color. As you guys know that I'm a huge fan of white. Hashtag white love as always, but it was not the case as it is more of a beige nude color as opposed to white, so keep that in mind. Now in terms of build quality itself, it is made of hard plastic with a nice arrow-like design on the edges, which gives the earbuds a nicer passive noise cancellation and a great ergonomic fitting towards the insides of the earbuds. Now because of its design, it already provides nice passive noise cancellation even without the noise cancellation turned on, and each earbud has a 6.10mm dynamic driver which will provide a great sounding quality. Now in my personal opinion, I think it is nice that there is the added noise cancellation for the earbuds because it kind of gets rid of that tiny background noise where the noise cancellation was amazing, even better than the headphones version since there is the passive noise cancellation, which is great with its really thought out shape. Now the earbuds are stored nicely magnetically inside of the charging case, and as soon as you take out the earbuds from its charging case, it will first mention the battery indicator on how many percentage that it has reached, and it goes to pairing mode, so you can just take out your phone and get it paired immediately. So like the headphones variant, pairing is super seamless where the earbuds connect via Bluetooth 5.0 compared to 4.2 for the headphones variant. Now this means that you can pair 2 devices and switch it up easily, where if you already paired it with your phone and you need to reinitiate pairing, just put the headset in both ears, hold both of your fingers on both of the touch sensors on the left and right about 7 seconds, then you hear a voice guidance which mentions Bluetooth pairing. Then go to your second device or even your laptop and pair it accordingly. And to repair it together with your phone after it has been paired previously with your laptop, just take your NFC device phone and then just touch it against the charging case and you get it reconnected to your phone. So yes, once you have already paired your phone with the earbuds, you'll need to download the Sony Headphones Connect app, which is available for Android and iOS devices. Now let's look into the app interface. Now the app is just slightly different than the headphones variant, where at the home screen on the top right, there's the power button to turn off your earbuds even without putting it back in the charging case. Then you'll see the color choice of your earbuds used, which again is a welcome little detail over there. Then towards the right, there's the battery level of the earbuds since the earbuds are connected individually instead of a single unit. Then there's the adaptive sound control, which will detect your surrounding, whether or not you're staying, walking, running, or being on a public transport, which is still very unique and nice. Then below you'll find the toggle for ambient sound control to turn it on or off. After that, you'll find the equalizer settings from custom, treble boost, speech, bass boost and many more. Next, there's the now playing feature to display the current track being played. Then there's a toggle for the earbuds to pause when the earbuds are taken off, which I left it on. Then below, I've toggled it to prioritize on sound quality since the earbuds have already strong Bluetooth 5.0 connection. Next, you can toggle the DSEEHX, or is it called DCHX? Which is Sony's audio technology to upscale sound quality, especially for a compressed sound, which is also kind of cool. Then you can also change the function of either the left side or the right side to either playback control, ambient sound control, Google Assistant, or for you to do nothing when you touch your earbuds. Then below that, you can choose to turn off the earbuds when they're taken off from the charger for more than 5 minutes or so. Then there are other features like notification, voice guide language change, and to toggle the automatic download for software update. Then going back to the top right, there are additional options like tutorials, the version and other information as well. Now compared to the headphones variant, there is no aptX on this earbuds version and there's no LDAC as well. So keep that in mind, but in all honesty, the music came through the earbuds was still really good since there is the DCHX audio technology. And being a music guy, I've tested it with different genres and I must say that it had a really good well-balanced sound quality with the flat EQ settings as well. Now I started off listening to the late Chris Cornell's Dead Wishes, and the acoustic guitar intro had a nice warm tone to the guitar and it felt like it was right in the middle and Chris Cornell's vocals blended perfectly. Then I switched on to Switch by the artist called Black for some deep bass sound, and yes, I can feel the bass as though that it was between my chest and throat. Yeah, which was nice. Then I switched to something a bit more rockish where I listened to Hoobastank's Born to Lead, and here's where I heard some great audio separation, especially with the introduction of the song with the 808 samples coming in. Then I decided to give a huge listening props to all my fellow subscribers all the way from India by listening to something older and still gold where I listened to A.R. Rahman's Dil Se Re, and here's where I found a great audio separation of the percussions and the vocals with a nice bass samples backing over the song. Next, I listened to something local and upbeat, hands down the best vocalist here in Malaysia. Yes, it's true. Where I listened to Shamil's Kau Pun Sama, where the music sounded great with a nice funky feel as projected in the song, together with Shamil's raspy voice cutting it straight through. And I ended with Post Malone's Circles, where it sounded amazing when the music came in, where everything was blended perfectly. So yes, as expected, the sound quality is exactly what you pay for the earbuds. Now speaking of sound, don't forget to check out my latest track that I sang called Ini Milik Kita for the Sepak Takraw League, which I'll link it down below for you guys to check it out, so don't forget to listen to it. Now while watching videos, there's no audio or video delays while watching YouTube or even Netflix through my phone, and even the same on my MacBook Pro and video editing as well. Now I heard some reviewers online were having some slight delays with iOS devices, especially for iPhones, so allow me to get someone who has an iPhone and then I'll test it out and I'll revert back at the description below. Now going into the phone call quality, it retains great sound from the other person where it had a great stereo-like sound with also great noise cancellation as expected. Now there's no physical buttons on the earbuds as everything is based on the touch gestures, where it is way better than buttons touching right inside of your ears like this. Now the touch controls includes touching the earbuds once to pause or resume the track, and as mentioned in the app, there is also the option where you can just remove the earbuds and it pauses the track as well. And it will resume the music once you put the earbuds in due to its proximity sensor. Now tapping the right earbuds twice goes to the next track, and then tapping it 3 times goes to the previous track. Now unfortunately, there's no volume controls where the headphones version had, so keep that in mind. Next, pressing and holding the right earbuds gives you the option to go to either one of your voice assistants like Google Assistant, Bixby, Amazon Echo and Siri as well. And then tapping the left earbuds once activates the ambient sound control to turn it on or off, and the noise cancellation toggle is over there as well. And yes, all the playback controls and all the other functions could be easily swapped in the app as you guys saw, just to give you that added extra customization. Now as for the additional features, there's the quick attention feature where you can just touch the left ear cups to have the built-in microphones on the outside to allow some ambient sound to pass through while lowering the music volume so you can hear and respond to someone around you or in front of you. So yes, once again, just imagine you can order your coffee or even your meal without taking off the earbuds off by just touching the left earbuds instead. Then if you guys are using an Android phone, you can get notification from WhatsApp where it reads out the name of the sender through the phone's assistant, and there's even a voice prompt for your calendar entry. So for example, if you're listening to music and you happen to have a meeting on the same time, it will mention it through the earbuds. Now going into the charging case itself, it has a really solid build to it and just the right weight too. Now one issue which I have, which is not really Sony's fault, is the fact that I'm kind of used to placing the earbuds charging case like this. So this happens. So yeah, that's just me. So yes, just make sure to place the charging case down flat like this instead and you're good to go. Now the earbuds charging case comes with a USB Type-C port, which is a plus point in my opinion, of course, because everything should be in USB-C in this day and age. Then as for the battery test at 100% volume, I got 6 hours and 10 minutes compared to Sony's claim of 6 hours with active noise cancellation on, which is super nice to know. And what's great is that since it has USB-C charge, you will get a fast charging speeds, where a 10 minutes of charge gave me close to 90 minutes of usage, and it takes about 1.5 hours to fully charge the earbuds. And in addition to that, you can get up to 3 charges from the case, which is also extra sweet. But I gotta say is that it would be nicer that if there was some sort of battery level indicator on the charging case itself. Now in conclusion, if you guys are having issues on thinking of which one you should go for, well, if you want an audio listening device which has all the features from all the audio codecs, volume controls, and don't mind the larger form factor, then go with the headphones variant, as it is made for a longer journeys. But if you guys want something which is compact, easy to bring on the go, and prefer to have a passive and active noise cancellation, and you don't really work out too much to do some casual cardio sessions, then you can go with this earbuds option, as the Sony WF-1000XM3 retails at 949 ringgit, and I'll leave links down below for you guys to get one. So guys, that's my take on the brand new Sony WF-1000XM3, and hope this helped you make your purchase decision, since these earbuds will be my daily earbuds moving forward. Do let me know if you have any other questions in relation to the earbuds down at the comment section below, and as usual, I'll answer them. Aside from that, thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to give this video a nice big thumbs up, like, share, and subscribe to Adam Lobo TV. If you haven't done so, don't forget to hit the bell icon. Boom! Just next to it to get notified for my future videos. Thank you so much for watching. This is Adam Lobo, and I'll catch you guys in my next video.